In this video, I'll be showing how to replace an inner taillight assembly on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the rear liftgate. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and open our rear liftgate and locate these two clips. They're near the latch. I'm gonna remove these with a trim tool. Set these aside. Now I'm going to move along to the inner handle adjacent to the latch and remove the T15 screw. I'm going to take one hand, put it on the handle, and the other hand on the liftgate and pull down. Now you could go along and unclip the trim panel from the edges. Just pull down. And just follow along. Now slowly lower it and set this aside. Now that my trim panel is removed, I'm going to go ahead and locate the reverse bulb and these two 8mm bolts. I'm going to remove the bulb first, just twist counterclockwise and pull out. Now for the two 8mm bolts. Quick inspection and set them aside. Now that my hardware is off and my bulb is out, I can go ahead and push on the tail light. I'm going to be pushing over this tab. It should just slide out. Now we're going to tilt towards us and remove it from the vehicle. And there it is. Now I'm going to lower the liftgate and clean the mating surface to the tail light and liftgate itself. This is to ensure a proper seal and no condensation inside the tail light or vehicle. I'll be using some glass cleaner and a clean rag. And that looks good. Now for our new inner tail light. I'm going to slide the tab over the liftgate right here on the edge of the tail light. I'll line these studs and press down. Now I'm going to go ahead and install my two 8mm nuts. I'm going to thread them on by hand first. Now I'm going to snug them down. Make sure the whole assembly is secure in place. And that looks good. Now to install my reverse bulb and the socket. Make sure it's flush and twist. Now to reinstall our trim cover. Quick note, make sure all the tabs are intact and have the metal clips on them. So you can see ours have all of them installed. Now we can go ahead and place the cover up. You're going to align it with the latch and press down on all corners until you hear a click. Just follow along until the whole panel is secure. Now I'm going to move on to my two trim panel clips. Just going to press these down and secure them. Make sure they're fully seated. And that looks good. Now for my T15 Torx screw. Just snug it down. Now again, make sure the whole panel is secure. Now we can lower our liftgate. And that completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.